In my neighbor's yard, we have a big robin's bird nest. It's right there. I can see babies in there. There's like 3 babies. The mother is a little bit out on this limb right here. I just seen her fly in. I don't know if you can still see her. Where is she? I don't see her. But yeah, since I do dishes here at the sink, I caught the bird's nest right there. I think the mother might be in there. Yep, I think the mother is in there feeding them. Yep, the mother is in there. I see her. So I'm keeping an eye on these babies because our neighbors also have wild cats that have babies underneath their garage. So when these robins learn how to fly, they might hit the ground before they can fly, and the cats might get them. I mean, I know it's nature and everything, but if one of these birds fall, I'm going to try to put gloves on and stuff and put it back in the tree. It's that big brown cluster there. I can't get no closer. It's right there. Mother's in there right now. Seeing if she flies out.